What's going on, everybody? Today I'm trying to create a two-step map for the E46. I've already set it up for 0 gear at 4,000 RPM, so we're gonna see what happens, and if it doesn't do what I hope it's gonna do, then I'll figure out what I need to change and go from there. Well, we're gonna let this upload and check back when it's done. Alright, I got my co-pilot here. We're gonna go for a drive, warm the exhaust up, and we'll test this out. Got the car warmed up. Let's see how it sounds. Well, that was nuts. That's not exactly what I was expecting, but I can only do a couple shots at a time because I don't want to piss everybody off around me. So I'll go from here and I'll keep adjusting and we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Say bye.